Hey guys, Ronnie Soud here, and today I wanted to share a story with you about how to utilize digital marketing to test elements on your website that should be changed. Okay, so what I mean by that, well, let's start with a story. Okay, so I got brought on by this company the other day, and they had just hired a new CMO. All right, and the CMO, within a week, wanted to go in and do a full brand redesign, new website, new branding elements, new cover images and profile images for social networks, all that kind of stuff. That's like a $150,000 project that they were looking into. The problem with that is that they were just going to redesign it. They didn't have a lick of data that they used to come to the conclusion that they should be doing a redesign. And so that's where I kind of stepped in and said, whoa, before you spend that kind of money, why don't we first run a little bit of digital marketing, collect some data from our audience using our analytical tools and heat maps and things of that nature so that we can make a stronger strategy and really a stronger argument as to what needs to be redesigned and addressed with a website redesign, overhaul, revamp, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's what we're now on the path of doing. And what we're specifically looking to do is we're going to be running ads from Google, because those are high intent searches being done from users that are real close to making a buying decision, as well as running Facebook and Instagram ads and YouTube ads. And we are tracking how each of those channels engages with the website, produces sales, as well as tracking their movements on the landing pages that we present them with. And from that information, we're going to be able to make a more logical and solid website redesign plan instead of just guessing and going purely up on aesthetics. All right, so my point to you today is, if you have not engaged in any digital marketing tactics and your company is just sort of in this perpetual state of getting a redesign every 3 years, I really highly encourage you to set forth on a path of utilizing digital marketing, bringing more traffic into the website, monitoring and tracking that traffic, and see how they interact with your business online before you go and make expensive design decisions that, one, might not be needed, or two, might not be in the right direction for what your audience wants. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Leave me any questions or comments below. I'm happy to reach out. Thank you guys for watching.